How you doing? Mike, Innovative Garage Door. And if you know this symbol, you know what we got. That's right, Raynor Garage Doors in Dixon, Illinois. Serial number. This door here's got to be 50 something years old. Just put a pair of springs on it. Look at this thing. Glides open. Now, granted, these are extension springs, okay? But those are the ones I took off. All this thing needed was oil on the shiv wheels. It was quite miraculous. This is probably like a 10 by 7 or a 12 by 7. All the hinges, everything, nothing's broke. This is fix or repair extension spring wooden garage door. I mean, everything on this Raynor door is great. Look at this thing. Some big shiv wheels in front the way it's supposed to be done. Smaller shiv in the back. Cables are fine. These old hinges, even though they're all square nuts, they're all tight. I mean, everything. Watch how easy this thing goes up. 2 fingers, okay? Look at that. 2 fingers. This thing glides. It's just amazing to me, these old wooden Raynor doors. Just a quality product that they had back in the day. So for all your wooden garage door repairs, call Innovative Door at 630-271-9343. Your one-stop commercial wood garage door, residential garage door shop. We fix them right. And as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our Raynor wooden fix or repair garage door video.